Hey guys, so for today's video, I have a fall makeup tutorial and I'm really excited for this because a few days ago, I don't know, I was just kind of thinking up some fall looks and I really envisioned this look. It kind of turned out different than I envisioned it, but overall, I was really thinking like browns and different shades of nudes, different shades of chocolates, smoky, and I was also thinking ombre. So I kind of wanted to just blend different shades of nude and chocolate browns on my face. So this look really focuses on the eyes and the lips. I absolutely love how it turned out. It's giving me a really like smoky kind of cozy vibe. So it's really reminding me of fall time. So I kind of used a mixture of drugstore and high-end products in this video, but I realized today that I haven't done a drugstore makeup tutorial in a while. So let me know if you guys want that because I love using drugstore makeup and it's always fun and kind of challenging for me to just go into my collection and only create a look using just drugstore products, you know? So yeah, let me know if you guys want that and I can definitely do it. But other than that, if you want to check out how I got this super like nude, ombre, chocolatey, smoky makeup look, then make sure to keep on watching. So let's get started with some primer. I should probably show you the front of it. So I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Complexion Perfection, pre-makeup base and the Benefit Professional. So first, just about one pump of this. So I'm just making sure my mic is on. Sometimes you be forgetting to turn it on and then you start the whole video and there's no audio. So one pump of this all over and I'm just kind of skipping the nose. This is like almost done. So for foundation, I am going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus. This is like one of my top holy grail foundations. I always have to mix Desert Beige and Golden Beige. Use my Huda Beauty primer powder in the shade Sugar Cookie. I really want to get, I don't know what shade I want to get. It's in my Sephora cart. But I want to get like a light yellow colored one. But yeah, for now I'm going to use Sugar Cookie, which is just translucent. I'm going to press that in with just like to dust it off. After just about a minute or so, maybe even 30 seconds, I don't like to wait too long. I feel like when you bake too long, you really look like you did bake, if you know what I mean, you know? Just a little cake central. Says the girl who put on 5 pounds of foundation. Really, Amy? So for brightening, I'm just gonna use a little bit of the KKW number 3 powder, and I'm just gonna put it like right in here. So I'm gonna do a little bit of nose contouring using the KKW medium one side. That's it. I know I know, I don't wear a lot of blush. Okay, so this bad boy is absolutely incredible. This is the Annie Cosmetics 90s liquid highlight. It's one of the best liquid highlights I've ever used. It's absolutely incredible. Just the formula, the shade, the dimension, it's incredible. So what I'm gonna do is put some on the back of my 3D HD. Or actually, you know what? I feel like using my beauty blender. Yeah, I'm gonna use my beauty blender, try to find a clean spot. I wasn't lying to you guys, it's incredible. And there's like the tiny little bits of sparkle in it that don't look tacky, it just looks beautiful. If you don't like any sparkle at all, you're not gonna like this, but this is like classy sparkle. It's not like, whoa, what's on her face sparkle. It's just, it looks so beautiful. Now I'm gonna take the Makeup Forever Pro Sculpting Duo in number 2, take that gold highlight. I'm telling you, if you want a beaming highlight, like this is the combo that you need to use. It's incredible. And now that I look like a glazed donut, I'm ready to do my brows. I'll be right back though, because I'm gonna do that off camera. Okay, brows are done and I already primed and set my lids, and now we're gonna move on to the eyes. I think I'm gonna use the Modern Renaissance palette. I have this look in mind that I wanna do and I'm hoping I can like bring it to life. It's mainly focused on the eyes and the lips. I kind of just picture in my mind this like very ombre. So I wanna do the lips and the eyes, an ombre shades of nude. Ombre chocolatey shades of nude. That's just what I have in my mind. But I'm hoping I can bring it to life. Because, you know, sometimes you think one thing and then you go to put it on your face and you're just like, this is not turning out. So hopefully it goes well. So let's just start off with a basic little transition shade. I think I'm going to take Golden Ochre. Is that what? Yeah, Golden Ochre. Just going to run that at the top of the crease, kind of a little bit closer to my brow than I normally would, just because I want some good lid space. If you have slightly hooded eyes like I do, then you can do your makeup the way I do it, which is, or your eye makeup, is I always take my head and I tilt it, and I actually have this mirror on my table. I'll link it down below for you guys from Amazon. It's amazing. It's a mirror that tilts down and tilts up, and I love it because I tilt it up, then I tilt my head up. Sorry, now I'm gonna switch to burnt orange. And it just allows me to see my crease because it's kind of like hard to see it since you have like when you have slightly hooded eyes. So it allows me to see my crease, and then I'll apply the colors just slightly above it so that I can make a larger lid space. But yeah, this is like the best mirror ever. Again, it's from Amazon. I was just like randomly looking because I've always wanted a mirror like this. So I was just randomly looking on Amazon like months and months and months ago. Actually, probably even a year ago or so. I've had this mirror for like a while. I'll link it down below for you guys. I'm still using burnt orange, by the way. Okay, so I am gonna switch over to this beautiful deep shade. This is called Cypress Umber, whatevs. And I kind of want to focus actually, you know what? No, before I do that, let me take some of Raw Sienna. Now you might be wondering, wow, it doesn't look pigmented, but that's because I picked up the tiniest amount. You guys know me, when it comes to eyeshadow, I like to like work in small amounts first. I just find it's easier to blend, easier to work. It's just better than going from 0 to 100. you know. And then I'm going to take a clean brush to blend that out. You never want to blend out black or any dark shadows with the same brush you use to apply it, because then it spreads too far and it starts looking kind of crazy. Taking a little bit of Cypress again, and I'm just going to go over that just to kind of make the both shades blend. Now I'm just taking whatever color is left over on this brush, which is just a little bit of Cypress, but it's just whatever's left over, and I'm very lightly just going through here. Just taking a little bit more of Raw Sienna. Now I'm just taking Tempera, just putting it on the inner portion. But I don't want it to be too drastic, so I'm just going to take a little bit of this and almost just blend it out. So I think what I'm going to do is take a little bit of this Fenty How Many Carats Diamond Balm. And I'm just going to put a little bit of sparkle right in the inner corner. So I'm going to take Burnt Orange and Raw Sienna and just put that on the lower lash. So now I'm going to take Cypress, and I'm just going to keep it on this outer portion, and I'm going to connect it from the top. So now all I'm going to do is apply some mascara, and then I'm going to use the falsies that I've been loving lately and honestly are like my go-to falsies, the Kiss number 11 lashes. So I'm just going to put a little bit of the Morphe, or a lot, of the Morphe setting spray. And then just a little 2 sprays of the GLAM Glow. Okay, so lips I'm really excited for, but I'm really hoping I can bring what's in my mind to life. I pretty much want a really deep brown, dark brown lip line. So I have Kylie's, what is this again? Dulce K probably? No, True Brown K. And then MAC's Bittersweet. I don't know which one I'm gonna go for. I think I'm gonna use MAC's Bittersweet. Deep brown outline, and then kind of like ombre shaded in, and then do a really light pale nude center. So we'll see how that goes. I mean, it's in my head. Let's try to bring it to life. So I felt like the lip liner was just looking, I don't know, for some reason it wasn't working out. So instead you guys kind of saw me brush on some of the Dose of Colors Cork liquid lipstick on the outer corner. So if I was to redo this, I would have just put Cork on first and then put L'Oreal in the center. All right, you guys, so that pretty much completes this makeup look. I really hope you enjoyed it. I absolutely love how it turns out. Let me know maybe if you guys want me to do another fall tutorial, if there's other requests you guys want, or if you want a drugstore makeup tutorial, let me know, because lately I've been really loving doing makeup tutorials, but it's just been more fun for me ever since I've been doing and creating makeup tutorials and looks that I'm actually inspired by, you know what I mean? Instead of forcing myself to like do certain looks. It just feels a lot better now that I'm sticking to things that I'm inspired by, and I was really inspired by this look. Like I really wanted to do something smoky mixed with a blend of nudes, so I hope you guys enjoyed it and I hope you loved it. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and of course I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.